intense engagement.
Firstly, let me congratulate everyone today. Today is not just the end of the training program, it is the beginning of the career filled with opportunities, challenges, and the responsibility to make a meaningful impact.
Hello everyone, my name is Daniel. I work as the Learning and Development Specialist at FiberOne Broadband, and it has been an amazing experience. From July 2025 up to June 2026, I've had the opportunity to see these ones come in, with little or no experience in the fiber world.
On behalf of the FOTA 2.0 graduating class, it is an honor to stand here. And exactly 1 year ago, on July 7th, 2025, we joined the FiberOne Broadband with a shared ambition to power world-class connectivity. And today, July 2026, we stand here proud and transformed into refined professionals.
My time at FOTA was truly transformative. Beyond the technical knowledge I gained, it shaped my discipline, confidence, and ability to work under pressure. The hands-on training and the quality of mentorship pushed me to grow both professionally and personally.
The core value of this organization is innovation, integrity, and quality.
The whole essence of this program is to give back to the community, is to give back to our generation. We're building the technology leaders of tomorrow. It does not matter where you are coming from. It is the desire in you that really matters. What you need to survive in life is not that technical skill, or it's not the skill you have, but character in life is what will take you to the utmost life. We know we will continue to give back to leaders like you. Congratulations.